Struggling to find where to sign up on Gumroad? Create your account in under 2 minutes with this simple walkthrough. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to type. Follow these 6 steps and you'll be ready to sell. Start by going to the Gumroad website. Then click on the Login button. Then click on Sign Up. You'll be asked to register, so type in your email and password. Once that's done, click on Create Account. And that's it. You're all set. Your account is created. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.